Hey guys, how are you all? In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how to accept Facebook member group request on PC. So let's get started. After logging in Facebook account, click on this drop down arrow. Select your groups. Select groups. Open your group. Here, select moderate group. Now, select member requests. Voila, we have a member request. Click on approve button to accept, and if you click on decline, this request will cancel to join this group. So click on approve to join this member in your group. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, hit like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more latest tutorials like this.